Hey, welcome back. Now, this is where everything comes together. This is where your pet becomes a superstar. Not just trained, not just obedient, but confident, focused, and amazing to be around. Let me ask you, what would your dream pet look like? Calm at home, obedient outside, friendly with people, fun and playful? That's exactly what we are building now. Let's start with combining everything you have learned. Until now, you have learned commands, behavior correction, bonding, mental stimulation, agility. Now we'll combine them. For example, sit, stay, come, giving them reward, walk calmly, ignore distractions, then again giving them reward. This builds real world behavior. Next is train in some different environments. Your pet might perform perfectly at home but struggle outside, so start practicing in different rooms, outside areas, parks, around people. This builds adaptability. Add distractions gradually. Now test your pet's focus. Toys nearby, maybe some people moving around, maybe some kind of random sounds. If your pet still listens, that's a superstar in the making. Reward consistently, then gradually reduce the rewards. At this stage, don't remove rewards suddenly. Instead, reward often at first, then slowly starts reducing. Replace with praise. This builds long term behavior. Focus on calmness. A superstar pet is not just active, it's also calm when needed. Train by giving commands like sit and relax, stay in place, settle in different environments. Balance is the key. Now let's build some confidence. Confidence comes from success, positive experiences, and gradual challenges. Let your pet win often, and that will automatically build the confidence of your pet. Keep practicing daily. That is very important since you have also heard that practice makes the man perfect. It also applies for animals. So even 10-15 minutes a day makes a huge difference. Consistency creates mastery. Superstar challenge for you. Right after this video, combine three things your pet knows. For example, sit, stay, and come. Practice it like a mini routine. This is how professionals train. Now, moving on to the next section about final mindset. A superstar pet is not perfect, it's consistent, confident, and connected to you. And here's something powerful. You didn't just train your pet, you built a relationship. That's what truly stands out. In the next section, we'll move into real life situations, public behavior, travel, guests, and more. This is where your training meets the real world. So keep practicing, keep building, and I'll see you in the next lecture.